Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss problem on actuators. So write down problem on actuator. So write down problem on actuator. A hydraulic cylinder has to move a taper weight 13 kilonewton. A hydraulic cylinder has to move a table weight 13 kilonewton. Speed of cylinder is to be accelerated. Speed of cylinder is to be accelerated up to velocity of 0.13 meter per second. Up to velocity of 0.13 meter per second in 0.5 second. In 0.5 second and brought to stop within a distance of 0.02 meter. Assume coefficient of sliding friction as 0.15. Assume coefficient of sliding friction as 0.15 and cylinder bore diameter as 50 mm and cylinder bore diameter as 50 mm. Calculate the surge pressure. Calculate the surge pressure. A hydraulic cylinder has to move a taper weight 13 kilonewton. Speed of cylinder is to be accelerated up to a velocity of 0.13 meter per second in 0.5 second and brought to stop within a distance of 0.02 meter. Assume coefficient of sliding friction as 0.15 and cylinder bore diameter as 50 mm. Calculate to surge pressure. So, analyze this problem what is given according to our procedure. So, first we read this problem carefully and write down what is given in this problem. So write down what is given in our problem. Initial velocity u. Initial velocity u equal to 0 meter per second. Final velocity. Final velocity v equal to 0.19 meter per second. Acceleration acceleration is equal to v minus u upon t. So 0.13 minus 0 upon 0.5 equals to 0.26 meter per second. This is given in our problem. So here find out force required to move the piston. Force required to move the piston equal to dynamic force plus frictional force. So W upon G into A plus mu W. So 13,000 upon 9.81 into 0.26 plus 0.15 into 30,000 115 into 30,000. So final reading answer 2294.5 Newton. So force required to move the pistons, this is force required. After that, to overcome this force, the pressure is in the cylinder, idle cylinder, to overcome this force. Write down this force. The pressure required in idle cylinder is the pressure required to hydraulic cylinder is equal to 2294.5 upon 5/4 into 0.05 square equal to 0.69 bar. From the equation for velocity, acceleration and distance, from the equation from the equations for velocity, acceleration, acceleration and distance. V square minus U square equal to twice A. So A equal to V square minus U square upon 2A. So equal to 0 square minus 13 square upon 2 into 0.02 equal to minus 0.4225 meter. Negative sign indicate that it is deceleration. Negative Deceleration. The total force required to stop the motion of cylinder. The total force required to stop the motion of the cylinder equal to 13,000 upon 9.81 into 0.4225 plus 13,000 into 0.15 equal to 25 10 Newton. After that, then pressure created by the opposing forces, then pressure created by the opposing force is opposing force is equal to 5/4 into 12. The surge pressure, the surge pressure Ps equal to P1 plus P2 equal to 11.69 plus 12.78 24.47. Wow. So in this way, we have find out surge pressure here 24.47 bar. In this problem, we have given initial velocity, final velocity v, acceleration a, find out by v minus 0.t. So we have the acceleration 0.26 meter square second square. After that, we have given 13 kilonewton rod, piston rod was also given coefficient of friction 0.15 mu. So find out force required to move the piston equal to dynamic force plus frictional force. So dynamic force equal to weight upon gravity into acceleration plus mu into W. So we have find out force required to move the pistons 9294.5 Newton. After that, we have find out to overcome this force, the pressure required to hydraulic cylinder is 22 94.5 upon pi by 4 into 0.05 square. This is time 0.05 square. From this equation, we are getting 11.59 bar. To overcome this force, the pressure required to hydraulic cylinder, force upon area. After that, find out from the equation from velocity, acceleration and distance, v square minus u square equal to 2as. So from this find out a acceleration, v square minus u square upon 2s. So we are getting minus 0.4225 meter. So negative sign indicate that this is deceleration. After that, the total force required to stop the motion of the cylinder equal to 13,000 upon 9.81 into 0.4225 plus 13,000 into 0.15 equal to 2510 Newton. Then pressure created by the opposing force is 2510 upon pi by 4 into 0.05 square. So equal to the pressure created by the opposing force is 12.78 bar. After that, find out the surge pressure Ps equal to P1 plus P2. So 11.69 plus 12.78 equal to 24.47 bar. In this way, we have solved this problem. So, any doubt, any queries in these problems of actuators, then tell me on WhatsApp or call me on my cell. So, any doubt, any queries, please ask me. So today we are stop here. Thank you.